Hey, it's me, Safe for People, Brock's British Tech Guru. This, as I'm sure you're aware, you know, is an LED light strip. This one takes 12 volts, and you just put the power through those red and black cables. Now, these you can actually cut to the right length. Now, let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Right, you see right in the middle of the screen right there, or rather right there. Yeah. Oops. No, we're focused there, aren't we? Yes. There's a pair of scissors symbol, and that indicates where you can cut it. Now, when you've cut it, you'll take off the bit you don't want, and you'll end up with a little bit left that has no contacts on it. Now that's where you have to be clever when you cut, because if you cut it here like that, so you get big enough contacts there and there, you can actually solder the wires to it, solder new wires to it. Now that's what I intend to do, and if you notice up there it says plus 12 volt, so that's the positive rail and that is the negative rail. So basically all you have to do is take your red and black wires and solder them on like that. Handy.